Okay, so hi everyone and welcome to our weekly market outlook. Hope that you're good, hope that you're doing well, and I hope that you are making some profits from the analysis which we are sharing with you. Okay, so as usually, let me start with those ideas which I'm sharing with you. Okay, but I haven't updated with any new ideas this week because I've been so busy. Okay, I didn't have time to post some ideas. Okay, but let's comment all those idea. Okay, copper. What we were waiting copper to started pushing lower. What it went up. So no trades there, and will it still go down? Of course. This will become now the running flat, and it can still push for one more up. Okay, depends now how this move will appear. But yeah, like I said, keep an eye there and watch for your sell setups all the way back to that trend line, and then you'll see how the price will behave around the trend line. Oil. Okay, oil, what it did, let me see. Okay, it went down and then it started to extend itself. Okay, as you can see there, it it is trying to extend. It can also test the top and then going down. Okay, so there it could be quite complicated correction. Okay, so you can still watch for your setups. Okay, they've been updated idea. Okay, on lower time frame there you can see how the setups will look like. Okay, UK oil is exactly similar. It is still correct in there. I'm not gonna show it once again because it's exactly similar. New Zealand cat. Okay, so if you take that profit, great. Okay, you should be out now. Okay, you should be already out of that chart. Okay, it is struggling there at the top, and as you were watching the New Zealand, I see the New Zealand going down. So yeah, based on the New Zealand, I see there the deeper correction, or it could reverse totally to the downside. Okay, so be careful in the upcoming week. Okay, today we can see also some gaps on New Zealand pairs. So just keep an eye what the price will do, but focus on the sell stops. Okay, focus on your sell stop on all the New Zealand pairs. Okay, natural gas, that one went really nicely. Okay, so as you'll see, okay, we're anticipating one more wave to the downside. So what the price did, it goes into the little bit deeper correction that didn't change anything, and then just break down. Okay, so wonderful trade. Okay, so you should take off your profit already. Here USD, we are still watching that one for the sell, but it's getting quite complicated. I'll go into details later on when I'll go step by step on those pairs. What we can see, can that go for one more small down? Yes, of course. So keep an eye there for the lower time frame sell setups, okay? But be careful, it can turn at any time soon. Bitcoin, watch for buy setups. We are still there. Okay, we didn't move anywhere actually. Okay, the price is struggling there around the previous bottom. Okay, so what the price can do, it can just go a little bit lower, but it will still push to the upside. So start focusing on your buy setups. Okay, that could be a really nice wave all the way back to the previous top. So it will be worth of not taking it. Okay, silver, what do we have there? Nice pattern. Now it's struggling around the previous top. Okay, so let me load the chart. Yes, as you can see, we are struggling around the previous top. So what can we have over there? We can have there a bigger correction. So that could be one, that could be two, and that could be three. Okay, so we can have a bigger flat there in the middle. Okay, flat correction before this thing will start to push higher. Okay, so in the upcoming week, I think you can nicely wait for the sell corrections and you can take all the sell stops at least back to the bottom. Okay, around 17. USD Chief, let's have a look. It goes into the bigger correction. Okay, as you can see, that is the huge correction. Okay, which is struggling there. So if you took that buy on Friday, okay, great, but now you'll have to protect yourself, put the trade on break even. Okay, there was one more buy which also should be close to a break even trade. Okay, so what we will do in the upcoming week, still wait for the buy setups. Okay, watch this to strongly push to the upside. Euro Aussie, what the price did, okay, we were anticipating this to drop down. Okay, so let's have a look what the price did. It has just started to push lower. So what you can do, can I watch for the sell stops? Yeah, you can watch for the sell stops all the way back to that bottom. Okay, but those are only the short-term sell stops. This will not go really fast and really far. Okay, you'll be probably able to catch 1 to 1 or maybe 1 to the risk reward ratio. Okay, pound Aussie did also amazingly. Okay, it went down Okay, so now I do not recommend you to take any sales. If you take the sales, great. Now it's not time anymore for the sales stops on pound Aussie. Okay, platinum, what do we have there? On the platinum, okay, we are still in the bigger correction, okay? This thing can go a little bit lower and then we'll see still wave to the outside. But yeah, focus on that big buy, okay? I think that there is nice buy coming in the upcoming weeks, okay? So it will be worth if you will miss it. Gold, what do we have there? Still loading, okay, it went up. Okay, now we are struggling. We need a bigger correction before this thing will start it and continually pushing higher. Okay, Aussie New Zealand, that one is also gone. Okay, it went up, tagged the top and reversed. Okay, so great. This is all from those ideas. If you took the profit from them, great, you did a great job. Now I'll move and go step by step. I will start with the DXY and I will show you the upcoming waves for the upcoming week. Okay, so let's have a look. What do we have there? Okay, DXY index. DXY index is in the correction. Okay, this is a strong impulse. We are still correcting, and that still behaves like a correction. Okay, I still see that we will see one more drop to the downside before going higher. Okay, we can even tag that trend line. So what the price will do exactly? Let's have a look on for our structure. We can see that we will go at least to the upside first. Okay, so watch that flag, how that will plays out, and go for that buy. Okay, this is short-term buy. So what this short-term buy will bring us on the other pairs? Euro USD will go lower, Pound USD will go lower, Aussie USD will go lower, New Zealand USD will go lower, USD CAD will go higher, USD Chief will go higher, USDN will go higher. Okay, so this one going higher, and those will, oh sorry, those will go lower. Okay, so let's see. I will show you the movement, so how you will be able to catch those dollar movements. Okay, like I said, one more down. Yeah, here is the expanded flat on lower time frame. Okay, if you can trade, you want if you want to trade it, you can take that trade. You'll see how far that will go. Okay, but I think this it will be really slow trade. Okay, I'm not interested in that kind of the movement. Okay, I want and we want to see the bigger corrections there before taking that trade. Okay, I'm not interested into that small movement. Okay, so but if you guys are interested for the moves like that, go for the sell. Okay, keep an eye there on the 1 hour. You'll see how this will be behaving. Okay, that can still push a little bit higher. Okay, something like that, and then it can push for one more down. Be aware what the price will do around that bottom. Okay, you should protect that on a break even trade as fast as you can. Pound USD. Pound USD can struggle here. Okay, that could give us the bigger correction this week, and then the next week we'll go for that buy. Okay, so what can you do? Mm, that can struggle here, going like that. Okay, give you the bigger correction, and then it will start to push higher. Okay, this will give you something like bigger correction. So first you can focus on the short-term sell, then you will watch for your buy setup. Okay, we will be taking the buy. The buy it's better idea because you are buying at the bottom. So this is good, and you'll be able to hold the trade all the way back to that high. Okay, so that could be a nice trade if this will complete and make us a nice pattern for the wave to the upside. Okay, so nice profit is coming there on pound USD. Let's have a look. What do we have there on Aussie USD? On Aussie USD, okay, you have to be a little bit more patient. Okay, I still see that this go will go for the one more short-term buy. Okay, short-term buy, but yeah, definitely then you will be focusing on the sell setup. Okay, this thing will struggle. It will go tag those highs, and then from there we will start watching for the sell stops. Okay, so you guys can focus on the sell stops. Okay, can that break down earlier? Of course it can. Okay, this thing can break down earlier, because you can see there we are struggling, okay, and I hope that we will go like this all the way back to the top, and then from there we will be able to catch on lower time frame a price action and take the trade from the top, okay. That would be a nice trade, at least 1 to 2, okay. This will be your profit. 1 to 2 is your target, and yeah, you also should keep an eye there, okay. Watch it, watch exactly from that top. But if it will break earlier, you can also take that sell, okay? If you find any aggressive movements to the downside, just go for it, okay? Go for it, and you'll see if it will start to struggle, take it off with a break-even trade, okay? You have enough time to manage that trade, and you have enough time to put that trade on break-even. New Zealand USD. Okay, there's still the triangle in the making, okay, and yeah, I'm still patiently waiting for this to complete, tagging that high, okay, it can even go close to that highs, and then you can watch for the sell setups, okay. If I move on 4 hour, there's much better picture, much clear picture, okay. So what can we have there on the Monday, okay. On the Monday, this thing can push for one more up, okay. This is the lower time frame buy, okay. It can push to tag that high, and then we will see a completely reversal downside, okay. So watch this, okay. Watch the trade from somewhere there, okay, around the previous highs or from new high there, okay. So this is your spot for watching. Search for your lower time frame price action and go for that sell. That could be a nice trade, okay. At least back to the trend line, breaking all those bottoms, okay. But if you will be happy, this is your bonus, okay. You will have a more than wonderful trade if this thing will break down. But yeah, take the sell, watch it how it will behave, and that's all. But I didn't mean sell now. Okay, guys, just just let it take that high first. USD cat, what do we have there? Let's have a look. USD cat, it's also struggling there. Okay, we are trying to complete the bigger correction. Okay, so this can push a little bit lower, but yeah, definitely this thing will go for the upside. Okay, so can I take the sell? I don't think that you'll be able to catch any sell setup to that bottom. Okay, maybe there will be a lower time frame, 5 to 15 minute sell setups. You can take that sell setups. Okay, but once you will take that bottom, take it off. Take your profit off, start watching for the buy setups, okay? This thing ain't gonna go lower, okay? At least not yet, okay? I don't see this one totally breaking lower. Let's have a look on daily. What do we have there? No, I'm not sure, okay? I see this one at least breaking higher and then going down, okay? We need to have the structure like that before breaking lower. Okay, but yeah, it's good if you focus on that buy setup. That could be really fast movement, but let the price probably hold Monday to complete this move. Okay, then on Tuesday or Wednesday, you will be able to watch for that. Use the cut bouncing from that bottom. Okay, let's go. Let's move forward. USD Chief. Okay, this one is still struggling there. Okay, as you can see that we were buying there, we take the break-even trades over there. Okay, so what the price is doing is it's trying to extend the correction. Okay, that's nothing. Okay, we just closed our trades with the break-even trades, and we are re-looking at the structure once again. Okay, this thing will go tag that bottom, but it will still bounce to the upside. Okay, so that doesn't mean that we just forget on that buy, or that doesn't mean that we just gave up on that buy. We are still watching for the buy. Okay, on Friday during the NFP you will be able to take that buy, but you will close it on break even. Okay, no worries, this thing is coming back to the bottom. It can even break it literally, and then to start to pushing higher. Okay, so watch for that bounce off, watch for that correction, and go for that buy. Okay, so like I said, I will be watching for the buy setups over there on the USD Chief. USDN, I think that this thing will start to push higher, okay? So yeah, something like that. It's quite possible over there. So let, let's have a look on 1 hour structure. Yeah, this thing can just push higher, okay? You can buy above that high. You will see how far this will go. But definitely you wanna see. Let's have a look. Watch this pushing higher, okay? Watch that one pushing higher. But it can go a little bit lower, okay? And then push higher. Okay, just keep an eye there. Watch it. Watch there for the strong break to the upside. It can. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's have a look on New Zealand Chief. What do we have there? Okay, New Zealand Chief, it's really nice chart. Okay, as you can see there, we are having the structure for the sell. Okay, we have a nice reaction over there from the top, and now we are correcting. So what can you anticipate? One more wave to the downside. Okay, so focus on your sell stop. As you can see that there was some reaction on Friday evening. Okay, on Friday, I think 1 hour before the market close, there was the reaction, and yeah, that's really good sign for the reversal to the downside. Okay, so what you will do when the market will open? Okay, you will just keep your eyes on, and you will start watching for your sell stops. Okay, that could be a wonderful trade all the way back to the previous low. Okay, so something like that, and we can see the break totally of that bottom. Okay, so somewhere there the price can stop, and then we see a reversal. Yeah, so watch for your sell stop. This thing will just start to crack, going down, crack, going down, crack, going down. Okay, so you will not miss it. Okay, if you are trying to catch the price from the top, those guys who are experienced, you will have to keep an eye there on lower time frame, you will be able to catch the setup from the totally at the top. Okay, but those who are not experienced or those who are not well trained, okay, they should not be playing with a lower time frame because your capital is at risk and you can really fast lose your money because lower time frame is really fast, and this is the time frame where you will have to be experienced to trade on. Okay, so stick to your higher time frame. It's better if you are not experienced enough. Okay? So yeah, like I said, watch for your sell stops going down. That's all. New Zealand cat. Okay, that one. It looks for the one short term buy, but that's not gonna go far. Okay? This thing's not gonna go far. Okay? This can just go for spike up and spike down. Okay? Spike up and spike down. Don't go for that buy. Okay? I'm not interested because this can happen really fast, and you will not be able even to catch that trade on a break even. Okay? So let's have a look on 1 hour. Okay? 1 hour, as you can see that it is trying to give you the buy setup. Okay? But yeah, I do not recommend you to go for that buy. Okay? That could be quite difficult and quite risky. Okay? Because there could be just one spike and then it will reverse the downside. Okay, so you will not be able to manage your trade and put that on break even. Okay, and yeah, you are actually buying totally at the top. Okay, if you have a look there on 4 hour structure where you are buying. Okay, if you can see that you are buying totally at the top, and this is not this is not smart. Okay, you are risking at any time. New Zealand yen. Okay, so New Zealand cat, forget on that pair. You have the other pairs to focus on, the other pairs to trade, and yeah, just keep that New Zealand cat. Okay, so let's go New Zealand yen. What do we have there? Okay, the price is struggling there also at the top. If you watch the daily structure, it's similar like New Zealand chief. Okay, both of them needs to go down. Okay, as you can see that wonderful structure, which is showing us the wave to the downside in the upcoming week. So what you guys have to do, just keep an eye there on lower time frame. Okay, this thing will be keep giving you the sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. Just go for all the sell stops all the way back to the trend line. Okay, that's so easy. Okay, you cannot miss it. Just don't just don't panicking. Okay, let's go. Here in New Zealand, this thing will also have to reverse to the upside. Okay, so this is the I'm watching the New Zealand pair. New Zealand, actually the New Zealand needs to go down. Okay, so what does this mean? Here New Zealand will go up, New Zealand yen will go down, New Zealand cat going down, Chile going down. Okay, so this is the reason. Okay, so I'm watching New Zealand going down, so we will see there a nice buy. So keep an eye there for the buy setups, okay? It will give you a nice bounce off and it will give you a nice price action, okay? So just focus on it. Focus. There is some price action which has also appeared on Friday, okay? That was the New Zealand behavior, okay? 1 hour before the market close. So yeah, I see this going higher. So keep an eye there on lower time frame and take the buy stops soon as you will see them. Okay? Also New Zealand, let's have a look. That one will keep pushing lower, okay? This is the against the New Zealand pair, okay? The only pair which is against the New Zealand pair, okay? So that has just completed. Actually, that could be the completed correction for the more downside. Okay, so if you want, you can sell there. Okay, you can go and take that sell and watch it closely when it will break that bottom. Okay, when it will break that bottom, you should protect yourself with a break-even trade. Okay, or if you open it and the trade will not move, just close it. Okay, it's easy. You're Aussie, go for the sell stop. Okay, you can watch the lower time frame for your sell stop, take the sell stop, and then we will watch for the buy stop. Okay, I think that we will stay for the sideways for a couple of more weeks. Okay, I think that at the end of that month we will start falling. Okay, but first let's going down, we will go up, and at the end of the month we will start watching for the sell stops. Okay, so yeah, if you guys are interested for short-term trades, go for those sells. Once we will take that bottom, then we'll start watching for the buy setups. Okay, so no rush, just keep an eye on it. Also get, let's have a look. This thing will also go down, just watch it now closely. There on 1 hour. Okay, if this thing will start the gradual breaking lower, you can take that sell. Okay, you can take that sell, and where's your profit? Are on the previous bottom. Okay, you have to be careful around the previous bottom. We can turn and go for the one more up. Okay, one more up, and then we'll go totally for the downside. Okay, so yes, like I said, you can go for that sell. Keep an eye there for the strong breaks to the downside. Take the trade and watch it. Aussie Chief, okay, Aussie Chief, I'm watching that one, still pushing lower, okay, as you can see that we are not moving anywhere, so yeah, this thing will go for one more down, okay, so what you can do in the upcoming week, focus on your sell stops, okay, watch for sell stops, we are going back to that bottom, okay, so keep on, let me just correct those arrows, okay, they are quite messy here, okay, I don't want to confuse you, so this is the clear picture. Okay, let it go down, let it bounce off, let it take that high, and I'm going down. Okay, so we can say that we will stay for the sideways movement for a couple of weeks. So only short-term trades, okay, day trades. Take the trade, take off your profit. Take the trade, take off your profit. Okay, if this will be going down like this, correct. Take the trade, 1 to 1, take it off. Correct. Take the trade, take it, and use your profit 1 to 1 risk reward ratio. Okay. Don't hold the trade. This can turn at 10 times soon, and it's not worth of having a break-even trade over there. Catch if I wanna see there the little bit bigger correction before pushing higher. Okay, there was one hour correction actually, and it didn't go really far. So now it's trying to turn into the bigger correction. Okay, this can go for one more high. So let it go down, let it tag that bottom, and then it will go higher. Okay, so be patiently watch it and keep an eye for the buy setups on lower time frame. Your chief. Stay away from that one, okay? I don't like that behavior, and we are at the bottom, so stay away, okay? We will not watch it, your chief. Let me just mark it with red, so you guys will not watch it, okay? Silver, silver is struggling there, and it will go down, okay? So watch for your sell setups. As you can see that we are losing the momentum, and this thing can just start to push lower, okay? So watch this breaking lower, okay? If this will go down, correct, going lower, okay, that will give you the buy stop, take the buy, it will break the high, and then it will just drop down. Okay, but yeah, let's have a look on 4 hour structure. No, I'm not seeing the retest of the top, okay? I don't see the retest of that top. This thing can just go for the bigger correction like that, and then it will still break down. Okay, so keep an eye there, what the price can do. Let me just show you this, and then we'll see a short-term buy, and then we'll go down. Okay, this is the scenario which can plays out over there. Okay, but totally we will be watching for the buy setups from the previous bottom. Okay, from the previous bottom that could be a nice buy. Okay, so yeah, we'll be watching it to buy from the 17. Okay, for those who would like to go for the short, go for it. Gold, there's the one buy setup which is trying to form. Okay, so can I take that buy setup? Of course you can, but don't hold it. Okay, if you go for that buy, go buy there, take that profit off immediately when you will see the tag of that high. Okay, when that will go and tag that high, you should take off your profit. Okay, that's enough. Don't hold it, it's not gonna go far, and at any time soon we can just see the reverse to the downside. So yeah, go for that buy, put your stop loss there or there. Okay, and then take off your profit from the previous top. Okay, it's easy, just watch it and manage the trade. Your cat, as you can see that the bigger structure, I can see this going a little bit lower. Okay, that could be the bigger pattern there. Okay, and then pushing higher, or it can totally break down. So which one it will be? Just keep an eye there what the price will do around the previous bottom. Okay, previous bottom will decide what the chart will do. Okay, we can go higher because we have already the chart, and then we will be selling from that top. Okay, definitely you would like to become a seller from that top. Okay, this is where you want to sell, but yeah, it's not right yet. Okay, as you can see there, this can push lower, take that bottom and then higher, or it can even extend, take that and then going higher and then break down. Okay, so which one it will be, we don't know. Just keep an eye there, but you don't gonna go and sell it. Okay, that's not worth of selling it. Okay, the chart it's not ready, and it will probably not give you any sell setups. Okay, so rather wait, put an alarm over there around the previous top, and this is the spot where you will watch for your sell stops. It would be a wonderful trade. Aussie yen, this thing is about to go down also. Okay, so keep an eye. It can just slightly, slowly pushing higher and then break down. Okay, or it can just break down from the spot where it is right now. Okay, if you see on 1 hour, you can see that we are struggling there actually, and yeah, any strong break to the downside, you can take the trade. Okay, you can take the trade. Otherwise, let it push higher, let it take, and let it give you the price action from the previous top, and that would be amazing trade to the downside. Okay, so I can also put in short position over there, so you will see what exactly I'm talking about. Okay, this is the trade which you go for it. Okay, if it will go and tag that high. Okay, I would rather see the tag of that high rather than breaking down from here. Okay, I don't want to see the breakdown from here. Let it correct there, and then going higher, tag that high, and then going down. That would be perfect trade. Okay, so yeah, watch it there from the previous top. Cadian, okay, what do we have there? The price is correcting over there right now, so keep an eye there. It will break down. Okay, so you believe me, you wanna take that trade. Okay, this trade it is going lower. So what you can do? Can I go for that sell? Of course, you can go for the sell once it will aggressively break to the downside. Okay, if it will stop around the previous bottom, just manage that to close on break even. It will be easy. Okay, we'll have enough time to close that on break even. So yeah, keep an eye on Cadian and take that sell to the downside. Chief Yen, what do we have there? Let's have a look for our structure. Yeah, based on the 4 hour, I think that this will stay there and then push for one more high, then to go down. So also we will watch to sell it from there. I don't think it will break from here. Okay, at least not now. Or wait to clearly break out of that structure, let it correct over there, and then go for the sell stop. Okay, don't go and sell earlier. Euro yen. Okay, so euro yen, what do we have there? Uh, this thing can just break down. Okay, so as you can see that all the yen pairs could be ready. Okay, the yen pairs could start to push lower at any time soon. Okay, so watch them closely, put the focus on the yen pairs because they can go really fast. For me, they are ready. Okay, they are ready, but there is no sell setup at the moment. Okay, this one can just start at push lower. So keep an eye, put your alarms on there and watch it. Here GBP. Okay, it is breaking lower. Okay, as you can see that was the structure. Okay, let's have a look on bigger structure. This is a 4 structure, so what I do, I see this coming all the way back to the bottom. So if you get in from some of those spots, great. Okay, you're doing well. So the others don't sell from there. Okay, let it completely break, let it crack, go for the sell. Okay, go sell there. Don't go for the sell right now. Okay, because the every next correction, every next bigger correction will take you out with a losing trade. Okay, so it's not worth of risking and selling on the bottom. Okay, you wanna see the bigger correction, then you will go for the trade. Pound New Zealand. Nothing. Stay away. Okay. Stay away. Pound cat. There is a short-term sell. Okay. If you will find that sell setup, if you go for that sell, great. Okay. But I'm not interested. Okay. That can even break that bottom and then to turn. So if you go for that sell, take your profit off around the previous bottom. Pound Aussie. It's not tradable. Okay. Stay away from it. Pound chief. Okay. Watch for this. Watch that correction going higher. Okay, that could be a nice trade all the way back to the top. So yeah, watch that correction. This is the 1 hour correction which is trying to complete over there. So if you will find any aggressive break to the upside, you can take the trade. Okay, you can take the trade to the upside. Pound yen. That's gonna go and struggle there a little bit more. One more low, new low, and then it will start to push higher. So yeah, I'm not interested for that pound yen. Okay, rather stick to the pound chief. Okay, you watch EUR GBP and pound chief. The others are not ready. Okay, Euronokian. What the Euronokian is doing, it is pushing lower. Okay, it comes lower really fast. So yeah, let's keep an eye there. You need a price action before buying because the price it's too aggressive to getting into the any trade. Okay, so what you will do? Nothing. Okay, there is a still strong wave to the downside. Okay, just watch it. That ain't ready for you. Okay, let it completely tag and then it will start to bounce off. Okay, but focus on your buy stuff, like I said. Natural gas, what do we have there on the natural gas? Okay, I think that this is not all the correction for the upside, okay? This is not all the correction for the upside, and I don't think this cannot go really far. So what can we have there? That can give you the nice flat formation over there, and then we will be buying, okay? So watch this to complete, go for the buy setup, okay? You can also go for the short-term sell setup. If you guys are interested to take those short-term sell setup, you can go trade on 5 to 15 minutes and take the sell setups all the way back to that previous bottom, okay, and then take it off and focus on the buy setup. It's easy. Okay, use the Mexican, watch for the sell stops. So what can you anticipate? This one could be the correction. Watch it, okay? You can go for that sell. Use the Mexican. It's about to push lower. There was the correction. Okay, watch this to aggressively pushing lower all the way back to that previous bottom. Okay, we can see the nice push to the previous bottom. Easy. Okay, SP 500. What do we have there? I don't think this thing will go to the upside, totally to the upside. Okay, at least not now. I see that we are dying out of the momentum. So yeah, we have there the structure which can easily push lower, tag that bottom, and then can push higher. Okay, so watch this. Watch for your sell stops on SP 500 in the upcoming week. Okay, sell stops, nothing else. UK 100 sell setups to the previous bottom, and then you will see. Okay, UK oil. Like I said, watch for your sell setups, tag that bottom, and then you will see. Okay, this correction can just extend itself. Okay, it's nothing wrong if the correction will get bigger. Okay, so it still has to go down. Let me have a look on daily structure. Is it worth of taking it? Yeah, this thing is gonna go lower. Okay, so at least something like that can appear over there. Okay, something, and then it will push higher. So which one will be? I don't know. Just have a look and you'll see. US oil, it's same picture, so I don't have to comment the same scenario. Okay, So US 30. Okay, yeah, this is from our trading room. Okay, so I've been actually showing to my traders in our daily webinar how they should take a trade on US 30. Okay, so I think some of our traders take that sell. They already protected the break-even trade, and we are anticipating wave to the downside. Okay, that could be a nice wave to the downside. If you find any sell setups, you can take them. Okay, take them. Once you'll take that previous bottom, okay, take off your profit. Easy. Okay, copper. Watch for sell stops. Okay, this doesn't mean anything. This is totally without meaning anything. Okay, we didn't put an enter there. Okay, we are not that crazy. So that's too late entry. So yeah, what we will do, watch for your correction, go for the sell. Okay, watch for the correction, go for the sell. Okay, if this thing will keep pushing higher, ignore it. Okay, that ain't the setup for you. Okay, it's a bad risk to reward ratio for the buy stop. German 30. Okay, German 30. I still see this going higher, taking that high, going lower. Okay, so what does this mean? There it looks like it will be the bigger correction before this thing will completely reverse to the upside. Okay, so let's have a look on daily. Okay, daily, I will show you the picture what I'm watching on. Okay, so this coming there, give us the price action going down, tagging that bottom, and then going higher. Okay, just let me just draw that correctly. Okay, you will see exactly what I'm talking about, and you will be sure about my words. Okay, and then going higher. This is what I do, and this is what I see there. Keep an eye there. First short-term buy stops, and then going short-term sell, and then finally for the buy. Okay, platinum. This thing can actually turn a little bit lower. Okay, it can go tag that bottom, then it can turn to the upside. The price didn't start to push higher, so nothing there. Yeah, just keep an eye there. If this thing will aggressively break to the upside, put an enter order there. Okay, you don't want to miss it. Okay, put an enter order there. You'll see how this will explode to the upside, and you will be in the trade. Ethereum, Bitcoin. So what do we have there? I see this one correctly pushing higher. This will go down, at least breaking that bottom, then it will go for the upside. So focus on your buy stops once it will break that bottom. Okay? Bitcoin USD, it also struggling there. What it can do, it at any time soon it can start to push higher. So there's no buy setup at the moment. Okay? So let it be there, and then we will start watching for the buy stops. Once the buy will give us buy stops, take it. Okay, if in case if you go for the buy there, you should close it. Okay, you have enough time to close that on a break-even trade. Okay, that didn't move anywhere, and I think that I have shown you this trade in the previous weekly market outlook. So yeah, that should be your break-even trade. Ethereum USD, also watch it to aggressive break to the upside. If not, ignore it. Okay, if this will go tag the bottom, then we'll have to relook at the structure because it can go a bit more to the downside. Ethereum USD, watch there for the strong break to the upside. Take the trade, you will see how far it will go. So you can buy above that high, put your stop loss there, and you will see how far this thing will go. Okay, so no rush. Don't tighten your entry orders. Litecoin USD. Okay, I still see this one going one more lower, one more wave to the downside, and then higher. Okay, so what can we see? Something like that. Okay, something like that, and it will push higher. I'm not interested into Bitcoin. Okay, it's not on the good spot. The other cryptos has the better spot than that one. Okay, this one can go for the bigger correction. Okay, can go tag that bottom once again. So let me just show you. Okay, this is what you can have over there. Tagging that, it's possible, and I'm going higher. So focus on the buy from there. Okay, focus to buy from the previous bottom. This is where you will watch for the buy. Okay, let it push lower. Watch for the buy stop. Okay, so guys, this is everything for this weekly market outlook. Okay, guys, if you are happy with our webinar and weekly market outlook, please help us to share the link with others. If you are interested to join us, okay, just simply go to our website tradewithmaster.eu and choose the membership which is for you. Okay, so we in our trading academy with our clients, we are having the daily webinars, the daily setups, which we are watching every single day at 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so once you will be in our academy, if you have any questions, we will be answering it immediately. And our membership, actually it's a lifetime membership, so once you will pay, you are with us forever. Okay, so you will be sticking with the profits. Okay, so have a wonderful week, enjoy your week, and please help us to share the link. Take care and enjoy. See you next week.